Okay, if you got somebody trying to brute force the password on your web server, you can get their IP address, open up a terminal, type Whois, and then put that IP address in there. You can scroll up through the results, and it'll show you which database was queried. It'll give you the IP address range owned by the person that it's registered to, and you can block this whole IP address range in your firewall. And if you scroll down through the results, you can find out who the owner of that IP address is, their country of origin, and other information. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.